Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Ha! It is no you do this one well at all. We think of concern for the politics for Edo State now.
My brother, I'm coming. I'm coming. I understand so much that Idris is being deceived. He does not know what he's doing, and it's a very big shame to have an icon like him to gamble with his reputation he has built over the years just for peanuts, just for hot drinks. It's really not right, because we have musicians who are professors in Edo State. Musicians who are professors in Edo State. They went through school. It's not like they went to buy certificates. And these professors today, they are strongly supporting His Excellency Godwin Oyeyase Obaseki. And we have other great politicians in Edo State that Dixon APC have met because of their candidates, for them to project their candidate. They refused because these people knows very well that Edo State is going very well, is in the hands of a capable one. So they themselves, even with every offer, they've refused. You, Idris, you are from a different state. I'm not trying to separate us. We are one, as far as Nigeria is concerned. But when it comes to states affair, there are people you are supposed to consult to do anything you want to do. You would have just gone to meet someone like Victor Waifo. Let it talk sense into your head before you begin to do anything in the States. There's every tendency for contracts to come, but not all contracts are meant for every contractor to go ahead to collect or to take. You are bigger than this, Idris. You're just in a bar drinking hot drink, and these people are just discussing about His Excellency Godwin Oyeyase Obaseki, and they told you should take mic and come out before the world and tell them Obaseki is not working. And you just truly took the mic. You came out. Obaseki is not working. Oh, bro, this is a very big shame, man. It's a very, very big shame. Can you explain to the world the state Edo State was as of 2016? And can you as well tell the world the changes, or rather, how backward we've gone or how forward we've gone? You do not know anything. Ticket was bought for you. You just came down to Edo State. And you were asked to do some certain things. As a wise man, as a man with great integrity, you're supposed to look into these things and you know that, no, this does not befit you. You don't live in Edo State. We are happy you've been in Edo State for some days now, but you are fellowshipping with the wrong people, with hypocrites, with people who are actually distracting the ongoing development in Edo State. So you are misleading your fans. You are misleading the entire world, not someone like you. You just lost it, bro. I know you can regain it back. So stop all you're doing and go back to Lagos and concentrate on your pattern of music. You were saying Nigeria jaga jaga. Now you politicians can give money now. You call the come and they talk. How would you even know what you're talking about? You don't know what you're talking about. Can you just come out in the midst of you being drunk? Hey, my people, what do you know about Edo State? What do you know? You just came in some few days ago. And you just went ahead to say what you were asked to say. Or you were told to say. Bro, no, this is very disdaining. This is very awkward. Very unbefitting. So that's no problem, I do, people. Idris, I respect you so much. That's why I have to respond to this. A lot of people have been doing in their own little capacity. I've never responded to any of their posts, but yours, you are one man I respect so much. If you even go down my walls, if I know about, you see a lot of videos that I've done, and I've given you kudos, I've given you respect, the maximum respect, earlier before now. So if you forehand, it not be batting for me to come tell you, say, Baba, you forehand. That name, Baba, I just give am to you based on, say, where I from come, with the respect elders, but you don't lost time. I would have even preferred, say, you collect what they give you, go back, they don't know if you do you anything. Then you can't go see the talk waiting, you don't know. What do you know about Edo State? don't know anything. You don't know anything. These people are distracting the ongoing development in Edo State. And you are out there joining them. You were seeing Nigeria jaga jaga. Everything scatter. Poor man, they suffer. You they persecute poor man now. Poor people when they Edo State, when they rejoice, you they persecute them now. So bro, turn back. Take the next available flight and leave. You're not with the right people. They are deceiving you. You know, go feel know the amount of foolishness where you don't enter now. And the time when you go realize them, you know, go feel come out of them. You came out the other day, they talk about what was his name? Burna Boy. So Burna Boy no be Odogu. Who be you? To talk say Burna Boy no be Odogu. Burna Boy go do this one we they do. Small thing now go they make small sure they talk say na hunger, they make you they talk all these things or they do all these things. What do you define? You will be this way we know. You do okay. You do okay. For the whole world, you are known, you are recognized. This one will befit you. Now, all communities supposed to do all these things, then you will be Baba, you can't come out for the background and say, no, you're not supposed to play like this. Bro, you they persecute the poor people for Edo State, the poor masses, when they rejoice, say, good person there for position. Now you want support bad person. Person when you don't even know. What do you know? The APC candidate, what do you know about him? What can you say about him? Someone who just invited you a few days ago, you just met and told you about his aspiration, gave you an offer. Then you are dancing to his tune. He's drumming, you are dancing. Senior man like you, Baba, you forehand, though. You forehand well. To say you even come and say, I love Edo people. These people be want to offer you money, but you say you no go do because of the love when you get for Edo people. Edo people, how this thing really be? Then we'll go tell you how they be. If they're hungry, say make Edo people do it for you. We'll get capable hands, we'll call our people. All those are people they talk about so for diaspora. They get sense. 99% are with Godwin Obaseki. So I kind of imagine the people in diaspora you are passing that kind of message to. You think they are fools? They are not fools. They are not fools. There are people when get 24 hours data, when they know everything when they go on. As me are you there now? Caterpillar, they places, road, they go on, constructions, they go on, and then they see them. So the people when you pass the message for, now they say me I come and can't tell you today and I say that they're very disappointed though. Say not be you, Idris. Not be you. Me I don't know why this world is so upside down, brother. Why can't people just continue to project one particular character when they know them for and make the character to the very end? What will be our problem? Idris, you are not doing well. Idris, you are persecuting the poor masses in Edo State, the poor citizens. And they say, I can't tell you, say, you don't persecute us. You don't finish us. With all the support that they give you over the years. Go to my walls. If I know about, go down to my wall. You see a lot of videos that I've done. I have projected you as a man with integrity. Earlier before now, there's somebody just call you in the midst of election, tell you, say, don't give you drink. Say, may you go talk this thing. You just go carry mic. For where you they drink? Idris Baba. For where you they drink? So now the drink shack you rich like that. I've been waiting. I've been on this one. Baba, you not do well. Please take the next available flight and leave. You don't they shame us. Not be so it's supposed to be, Baba. You they shame us, Idris. They shame us. Obaseki is the project. You there, go there. Go, Sifas Noba, make you chat me up. Idris, chat me up, Sifas Noba. I'll come pick you for wherever you day. May I take you around Benin? I feel not get money when they go give you. I not say me support Obaseki, but make you know, say, you the forehand. Just write me on messenger, Sifas Noba. May I come pick you for wherever you day now. May I take you around at those states. Let me take you around those states. Make you know what you they do. They're not saying anybody not do anything. You have your life to yourself. You can do anything you want to do with it. But bro, you need to do the right thing when you are seen as a public figure. You need to do the right thing. We get great musicians. We just started to sing here. We get great musicians for Edo State where they don't give money. But when deny them of such offer, say no, they cannot because Edo State is going where? Everybody should join the ongoing developments. People should drop their aspirations and support His Excellency Godwin Obaseki. He's the project right now. He's doing well. That's time when the righteous is in power, the people rejoices. Go around Edo State today and see the smile in everyone's faces. In everyone's face. We are all happy. We are not crying. We are not mourning. If the leader we have is not capable, we will be the same people that will be crying to the world that, we are suffering, this leader has killed us. But this is a man that is doing well, and everybody, we are all supporting him selflessly. Baba, you forehand. But even at that, nobody's above mistake. Now, big mistake you make like this. A big mistake. Idris, now big mistake you make like this. I did for where they do my ram, where I want to breed my ram, Idris. For Benin like this. For like, may you shut me up for Sifas no, but shut me up for messenger. May you shut me up. I get better location where we go there, where you go enjoy life, where you go see Benin, where you go see things. I don't say may you support Obaseki, make you just see things with your eyes, make you for apologize to Edo people, say, you dey sorry, oh. You dey sorry, say you were tipsy at that time. Moku for understand. Because you no go around Benin. They just carry you come from Lagos, put you for the hotel where you dey. For the hotel where you dey, then you dey drink, you dey smoke, you dey take everything. Your head don't fool. They themselves don't say your head don't fool. Now they ginger you. For MC, they talk, say, Moku just talk the truth. Obaseki is not working. Obaseki is not working for the past for the past 4 years. Where Edo State day 2016 and where it day now? Can you tell? You can't. So, Baba, my own take now say, your respect you never too lost and you can regain it back. Chat me up. More meet for Benin. May I take you round? Gele Seaport, refineries, our health stations. May I take you round them? So that you have good reason to say, Edo people, I'm sorry, because we know they're happy with you right now. We know they're happy with you. You don't persecute us. You don't finish us. You see group of people went group together to distract the ongoing development. They know what made the poor person, made the see light. The people where you go see for Benin here now, any poor person there, all of them not be rich people. You see any poor man there? You see any poor man there, then you know if you get sense, make you know say, these people want to use you for their own selfish interest. These people don't belly fool. What will be their problem? When they don't want to make the poor man get the light of the day, what will be their problem? How about you forehand?